Hey there, English learners. Have you ever wondered what to say when you're feeling sick and need to see a doctor? Don't worry, we've all been there. Today's story will take you on a journey with Lisa as she visits the doctor's office. You'll discover exactly what happens from the moment she makes an appointment to getting helpful advice from Dr. Miller. This is your chance to learn useful phrases, medical vocabulary, and gain confidence for your next doctor visit. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into this practical English adventure together. At the doctor's office. Lisa felt terrible when she woke up this morning. Her head was hurting, her throat was sore, and she had a bad cough. She decided to visit Dr. Miller at the local clinic. She called the clinic early in the morning to make an appointment.
Good morning, City Medical Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello. I need to see a doctor today. I'm not feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's your name, please?
My name is Lisa Johnson.
Let me check our schedule. We have an appointment available at 2:30 this afternoon. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you very much.
Great! Please arrive 15 minutes early to fill out some forms. See you this afternoon.
Lisa spent the morning resting at home. She drank hot tea and tried to sleep, but she still felt very sick. At 2:15, she arrived at the clinic. The waiting room was quite busy. There were several people waiting to see the doctor. Some people were coughing, others were reading magazines. Lisa went to the reception desk.
Hello, I have an appointment at 2:30. My name is Lisa Johnson.
Yes, here you are. Please fill out this form with your personal information and symptoms. Then take a seat in the waiting room. The doctor will see you soon.
Lisa filled out the form carefully. She wrote down all her symptoms: headache, sore throat, cough, and feeling very tired. After filling out the form, she returned it to the receptionist and sat down to wait. 20 minutes later, a nurse came out.
Lisa Johnson, the doctor is ready to see you now.
Lisa followed the nurse down a long hallway to Dr. Miller's office. Dr. Miller was a friendly woman in her 50s with kind eyes and a warm smile.
Good afternoon, Lisa. I'm Dr. Miller. Please have a seat. How are you feeling today?
Not very good, doctor. I've been feeling sick since yesterday.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me about your symptoms?
Well, I have a really bad headache. It started yesterday morning. My throat is very sore, especially when I swallow. And I have this terrible cough that won't stop.
I see. Are you feeling tired?
Yes, very tired. I slept for 10 hours last night, but I still feel exhausted.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot and cold at the same time.
Let me examine you. First, I'll check your temperature. I'll put a thermometer under your tongue. You have a fever of 101 degrees. That's quite high.
Is that bad, doctor?
It's not too serious, but we need to treat it. Now, let me look at your throat. Open your mouth wide and say, ah. Your throat is very red and swollen. That explains why it's so sore. Okay, now let me listen to your chest with a stethoscope. Take a deep breath. And another one. Good. Your lungs sound clear, which is good news. The cough is probably from your throat irritation.
So what do I have, doctor?
You have a throat infection, probably viral. It's quite common, especially this time of year.
Is it serious?
No, it's not serious, but you need to rest and take care of yourself. Let me give you some advice. First, you need to drink lots of fluids. Water is best, but warm tea with honey is also very good for your throat.
Should I drink cold water?
No, avoid cold drinks. Warm or room temperature drinks are better when you have a sore throat.
What about food?
Eat light foods like soup, toast, or bananas. Avoid spicy or acidic foods like oranges or tomatoes. They will make your throat hurt more.
Should I take any medicine?
Yes, I recommend some over-the-counter medicine. Take acetaminophen or ibuprofen for your headache and fever. Follow the instructions on the bottle.
How often should I take it?
Every 6 to 8 hours, but don't take more than the recommended amount.
What about my cough?
For your cough, you can take cough drops or drink warm tea with honey. Honey is very soothing for the throat.
Should I go to work tomorrow?
No, you should stay home and rest. You're probably contagious, which means you could make other people sick. Stay home for at least 2 to 3 days.
How long will I feel sick?
Most people feel better in 5 to 7 days. But if you don't feel better after a week, or if you feel worse, please come back to see me.
What if my fever gets higher?
If your fever goes above 103 degrees, or if you have trouble breathing, go to the emergency room immediately.
That sounds scary.
Don't worry too much. Most people with your symptoms get better with rest and fluids. Just follow my advice, and you should feel better soon.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, get plenty of sleep. Your body needs rest to fight the infection. Also, wash your hands frequently to prevent spreading the illness to others.
Should I cover my mouth when I cough?
Absolutely. Cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Use a tissue or cough into your elbow, not your hands.
What about my family? Will they get sick too?
They might. Try to stay in a separate room when possible. Don't share cups, plates, or utensils. And everyone should wash their hands often. Here are my recommendations written down so you don't forget. Any other questions?
I think that covers everything. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, and remember to call if you don't feel better in a week.
Lisa left the doctor's office feeling worried, but also relieved. At least she knew what was wrong and how to treat it. She stopped at the pharmacy on her way home to buy the medicine Dr. Miller recommended. The pharmacist was very helpful.
These medicines will help with your fever and headache. Take them with food to avoid stomach problems.
Thank you. The doctor also recommended cough drops.
Yes, these honey lemon cough drops are very popular. They taste good and help soothe your throat.
At home, Lisa followed all of Dr. Miller's advice. She drank lots of warm tea with honey, took her medicine on time, and got plenty of rest. By the end of the week, she was feeling much better and ready to return to work.